What's up with y'all? Got this, not sure the year, but we gonna find out. 06, there we go. So I got this 06 Pilot. Taking the overhead panel out, the DVD player. So, see there's no video on YouTube how to take this out. What's up with y'all? Got a nice little, hope this be like a vlog style, be like my first vlog. I'm at the Chesterfield Auto Parts in Chesterfield, Virginia. It's my first time coming here. I got the receipts and all that stuff. Show me which did, man. Probably should have just grabbed a what's the things called? I can't even remember what the thing is called, but I probably should have just grabbed it. Instead of trying to hoist around this big, well not big, but it's just heavy. It's got decent weight, so all the American stuff, all of it. It's crazy, man. My back about to be non-existent after this. All right, man. Tell me, you know what I'm saying? Okay. All the way back here. No reason. This is dope. All I had to pay was $1 to get in. So dang, it's bumpy, bro. Should have bought some boots. I don't know why I didn't think about that. Here we go. We on the import side now. Yep, Honda. Well, not over here. Let's see. This is crazy. Some nice seats in this. This is a newer one. Oh, this is a newer Pathfinder too. Dang. Well, I'd be interested in, you know, coming up here and God dang, I'm out of breath. So I did work out this morning. Legs a little tight. I hit legs. Hopefully I'm getting y'all a good view. Dang, this is crazy. I'm gonna have to come out here more often. It's just not that close to my house. It's like 30 minutes away. This is dope though. You could definitely take stuff off and make some money, I'd imagine. Goodness gracious. This thing got 2 sunroofs? I did not know that. These seats are good. Somebody took it off though. That's the thing though. I don't know. There's a Pilot down there. So guess I'll head down there. Not that old. Hey, this one They just took the covers and the front piece off. So, oh, here it is. Wonder why they did that. Hey. Have a nice resell over here. A couple of them. That's what's up. Some parts for my mom's truck. Got the Infinity version right here. Well, it's through. Like, my goodness. They rummaged through this joker. It's four-wheel drive though. How long this been here? Maybe a few years. We got some of the stuff mixed in. And it does say, no, I'm backwards. Import start back here. So, ooh, maybe the my brother's truck right here. Maybe the dang, 4.0. Just took the manifold off of it. What did you come in here for that with? What the world? You just took everything off, but ain't really take nothing. Oh no, that seat's in the same condition as his. I reversed it. Got an LE over here though. That nice leather interior. That'd be a cool swap. Sure. So it must be like an 05 or something. They don't got the keyless entry. Pretty decent. That was a grill right there. This is crazy. I should come out here more often, bro. I might take these. Oh, but then the reverse lights are in the. Oh, this one's cracked. But the reverse lights are in the lower part of the tailgate. Yeah. Just gotta put your stuff down away from everybody else stuff. So y'all just go back there. Oh yeah, but these got the turn signals in the mirrors though. Nope, not this one. Dang. I was gonna say, you have to get that for her. She wants that. Pretty sure it would still have the indicator right there too though. I guess not. Dang. That sucks. The whole overhead consoles is gone. Man. Imagine if they take all the cats and stuff out of it already before they even bring these cars back up here. Hondas. Trooper. Man. There goes a pocket over there. So I'm gonna check out like Armada. Probably ain't nothing in it. It's an older one. So no, nothing. That would interest me. Gotta be careful out here, boy. Exterior. There's a pocket over here. No, I don't want that one. Pathfinder was smacked out. 10 over 10. Shut it down real quick. Let me check this out. You know, all the seats are like this though. Smells pretty. Oh yeah, tint for sure. It's ripped off. It was done. Yeah, it was a good job though. Looked like somebody just scraped it up and ripped it off. But they put 35 on the front. Trash. So I don't even be looking tinted. So I don't like that. Yeah. Just keep it moving. Try to hold it all up. Check out better view. Where's the? They said they had. See the one. Should have had multiple vans. I don't see that. What's this? No, of course. Everything going in here basically. Yeah. Got a set of rear seats that aren't in bad condition. Hey, I'm sorry. It's a big sunroof. My goodness. Yeah, this one's fresh. She's been rummaged through still, but she's fresh because she still got a fresh inspection sticker on there. Tape on the seat. Oof. Hey. I could have sworn that they said they had some Odyssey vans. Dodge, Chrysler, Plymouth, and import Honda, Infiniti, Isuzu, Mazda, Nissan, Toyota. I'm gonna get back with y'all. I heard y'all, it's been a while, but I found this Aspen, it's Chrysler Aspen, and I just thought I'd just, you know, grab something since I can't really find what I'm looking for. Y'all let me know if y'all see anything that's on here that, you know what I'm saying, is worth value. Probably these door panels, maybe. Just maybe a quick cleanup, but I don't know about these. I'm not sure about the prices. I did check eBay. I didn't check for these door panels though. Doesn't have that center console trim, so I seen that was like 90 bucks on average. Maybe the overhead console thing, I don't know, I might take that out. Got a Durango next to it as well. Same body style. Yeah, but this was a clean truck. Definitely was. I wonder why well, never mind. I know why it's here. More than likely the engine or the trans, something along those lines. So, yeah. So I catch up whenever I visitors pass. Don't know what that is. Waterhead Center. So yeah, like I said, I catch y'all. Peace. All right, y'all. So for Taillight and the DVD player, he only charged me 30 bucks. The Taillight was the most. Wow. And I might make more money from the I think I should make more money from the DVD console over the Taillight. That's crazy, man. That's wild. That's crazy. Trying to put that down as safe as possible. I knew I should have brought a second pair of shoes. I usually would have had my second pair of shoes in my car. What the? How is this door? All right. I just decided to lock. Okay. So, big blooper. Try my best to just wipe them off. And I didn't put in my my match to cover them up. So that's a pretty good deal to me. 30 bucks for that. And I pulled it myself, so I didn't damage anything. So I should make probably like 200 bucks. So I'll definitely update y'all on that. So if y'all like this, I might create like a series of me doing this because it's fun. It's my first time. So I'll let y'all know. So, oh, no copyright. So like I said, y'all enjoyed, do all that fun stuff. Peace.